Hi, I've got exciting news. I got 2 new products that I want to show you guys, and I'm actually going to do a test run of one of them so you see it up in action. So you just wet that up, whether you use a toner or a cleaner, soap and water, clean your makeup off. It comes with a cute little mesh bag, which you can actually launder them in. So once you have it used, throw it in there, and then after a couple of days, when that gets to be full, you just pull it out, cinch up the straps, tie it, and into the wash it goes. You don't lose your scrubbies with clothes or anything like that. They all stay together, launder together. And then you just set it back up in your drawer. As you can see, I've got 2 sets there, so while one's in my laundry, if I don't get to it right away, I've got another set ready to go. You get 8 face scrubbies and that cute little wash mesh bag to go with it. So when you launder it, they're not all over in the laundry. So it depends how much of these you would use a day. I use 2. I use kind of one for each side of the face, or do a quick swipe of my face once and then a second swipe, make sure I got all the makeup. And it's a cute little baggie to go with it. So that's item number 1, new product. I was excited to share with you. I tried a few different patterns and different materials. Of course, it's this, not a one-handed job. And came down to this material. It's nice and soft. It shrinks a little bit, but not much. And if you were to compare this to your disposable cotton cloths, it's about the same size, but these ones are reusable. You're reducing your waste, helping our planet by not having to throw them out. You just wash them and reuse them. The other thing I've done are soap savers. So I don't know about you, but we always get the end of the bars, a whole bunch of little chunks. Now, our soap goes in our bathroom caddy, but our bathroom caddy is so high that I don't see this until I go to clean the shower and I pull the tray off the caddy, and it's like massive clumps of old soap bars, just wasted. So with your soap saver, you put your little chunks in it. And then now you have like a little loofah sponge. Your soap. So you can start with your soap fully in here. Full bar soap will fit, or you can use just the chunks. All depends how you like to bake yourself. So I'm going to show you on a test run here of what it looks like being actually used. So you just kind of move it around the soap, lather it up, and then you're going to get nice bubbles. See? Look at all that soap. And see? All nice. Wash yourself. Now the material I picked is 100% cotton, but this brand that I picked, it's actually a lighter thread. It's not as thick, so it's very soft, very nice. Washes beautifully. But look at all those bubbles, right? It's like a little loofah sponge there. Full cleaning power. So like I said, you can put just the full-size bar and use it, or you put your little wasted chunks and use it. Nice thing about this is you could take the bar out and wash it anytime you want. All right, so I just gave it a rinse. Right, and then I hang it in my shower. The benefit of all the holes in it and stuff like that is that it'll dry and it's good to use again. And after a few uses, if you feel like it needs to be laundered, well, you just take your chunks out, or your soap bar out, throw it in the wash. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So there are the strings attached to it that you can tie it off so then you don't get any of those little chunks falling out. Nice and soft, really good for the skin. There will be other colors. I will post them on the website of your options, and you can request a color for your bathroom. Trust me, you're going to want one of these in every bath. You might even want a second one, so once this one's in the wash or getting ready to be washed, you have another one in the shower ready to go.